We're going to do a combination, 2 different sets that we're going to go back to back on, and we're basically going to do a bottom up squat where we're going to work on setting our depth of a squat. So if we have trouble getting deep enough, getting the hips deep enough with a good trunk position in a squat, this will help to try to reset your squat at a lower depth so that you can get better movement, you can get better muscle activation, you can get better strength, which means better protection from pain and injuries, and all good things happen from that. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna follow it by a set of squats where we work toward achieving that new depth, squatting to that depth that you set, okay? So where we're gonna start is we're gonna go feet comfortable distance apart, about shoulder width or so. Get where you're comfortable. Get into what I call a shortstop position. So if you're gonna play shortstop in baseball, this is about how it would be. Hands on top of the thighs right here. What we're gonna do is make sure that we don't do this. We don't want shoulders up into the ears. So relax your shoulders down, okay? And get set there. Just kind of pull your shoulder blades back a little bit in there. Not excessively tight, okay? From that position, what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on getting forearms to the knees, and then from here, we're gonna work on just getting the depth. So you can bounce the hips a little bit. I mean, not so much bounce as feel this movement and try to get the hips progressively lower. See where you can go, and it should be comfortable. It shouldn't cause any pain or discomfort. So don't push through pain and discomfort trying to push for a lower depth. It should feel comfortable and as if your body can ease right into that, okay? Once you get as low as you can go, you should know by about 3 to 5 times, hold that depth, okay? So ideally, we want to get down as low as we can, hold that depth there. This is going to reset the new squat depth for you. And then after, we're going to hold this for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then after that, I want you to come up so you can counterbalance arms forward, here, and try to stand up. If you can't do it, you can come up from here, okay, or here. All right, but see if you can get here. Trunk up, chest up, eyes up, and stand up, okay? Come back down, and then we reset it again. Again, try to get right down into that position. Arms up, stand it up. Okay, about 3 reps of that. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna transition into, you could just do your regular squat, doesn't have to be a box squat. So from the top, we're gonna work the top down now. So from that same position, see if you can squat down and find that position that you were just in. Can you squat to that depth, okay? If you can't get there, do the best that you can. And then what you're gonna do is repeat this bottom up squat to the top down squat. You do about 3 to 5 rounds of it, okay? So try that out for yourself, see how it goes. And that's how you're doing your bottom up and then your top down squat.